Is your Tesla Model 3 charge door stuck? Don't worry, it's a common issue. We'll cover how to fix it using tap to open, app control, and manual release methods. These fixes apply to Model 3s manufactured between 2017 and 2023. Let's get started. The simplest solution to open your Model 3's charge door is to use the touch screen inside the vehicle. Navigate to the charging settings on the center console. Look for the Open Charge Port button on the charging screen. A single tap on this button should trigger the charge door to open. If this doesn't work, move on to the next method. Use the Tesla app on your smartphone to control the charge door remotely. In the app, go to Controls and find the charge port icon. Tap it to open or close the door. The app also lets you check for diagnostic codes that might indicate the problem. This is especially useful on road trips. When all else fails, use the manual release. This involves accessing a hidden latch, typically behind the front bumper or under the frunk. You'll need a trim tool or screwdriver. Exercise caution to avoid damage. If under the frunk, carefully pry open the small access panel. Consult your Tesla owner's manual for the exact location. Before attempting manual release, ensure your Tesla Model 3 is unlocked and parked in a safe location. Verify that the battery has enough charge to avoid electrical issues. You'll need basic tools like a trim tool or flat screwdriver to access the hidden latch. Locate the hidden latch for the charge door. This is typically found behind the front bumper or under the frunk area. You'll need to look for a small access panel or slot in the black panel near the charge port. Using your trim tool, gently pry open the access panel to expose the internal mechanism. Take care not to damage any surrounding parts. Once open, you'll see the cable or lever connected to the charge door mechanism. Once you've located the cable or lever, gently pull it to disengage the charge door mechanism. If it's jammed, you may need to apply some force, but always pull firmly yet carefully to avoid breaking components. After disengaging the mechanism, you can now manually open the charge door. Simply pull the door outward with your hand. It should move freely once the latch is released. Before closing the door, inspect the mechanism and surrounding area for any obstructions like debris, dirt, or ice that may have caused the jamming. Clean the area if needed to ensure smooth operation in the future. Close the charge door securely and test that it operates normally using the vehicle's touchscreen controls. If the manual release doesn't resolve the issue, or if you notice damage, contact a Tesla service center for professional assistance. Important reminder: attempting manual release should be done carefully, as improper handling may void your warranty. Use this method only as a last resort when other fixes have failed. Charge door issues often stem from several common causes. These include electrical faults like blown fuses or faulty wiring, mechanical obstructions such as debris or misalignment, and software glitches. Additionally, ensure your car's battery isn't critically low, as this can disable the door, and make sure the car is unlocked. Electrical faults are a common cause. Blown fuses or faulty wiring can interrupt power to the charge door motor. Check for darkened contacts on fuses and inspect wiring harnesses for damage. Mechanical obstructions occur when debris, dirt, or misalignment prevents the door from opening smoothly. Clean the area around the charge port and check for proper alignment. Software glitches can occur from bugs in the system. Ensure the battery isn't critically low and the car is unlocked. A system reset or power cycle often resolves these issues by restarting the vehicle's computers. Keep your Tesla's software updated. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that address charge door issues. Version 12.5.1, for example, reduces failure rates significantly. Future trends include AI-integrated diagnostics that predict failures and fully automated charge doors, minimizing manual intervention. If none of these solutions work, it's time to schedule a service appointment. Tesla service centers offer free diagnostics and have expanded globally with over 1,500 locations. Remember that improper manual releases can void your warranty, so proceed with caution. Tesla is actively working to improve the reliability of its charging systems, so keep an eye out for future updates.